So we have a Python program to read the month from 1 to 12 and display the number of days in that concerned month, excluding leap year. So look at the variable is month, M-O-N-T-H. If month is 2, it's 28 or 29 days. Look at elif, month in. For the first time we are using in operator in 4691. That is April, June and something. Number of days 30 days. Again elif, month in operator 135, January, March, May and so on. Number of days 31 days. If your input is not between 1 and 12, 1 to 12, then you get the message invalid month. Please enter the number between 1 and 12 only. It's a very simple program in Python. What if you want to check for leap year? Then you need an extra if condition for leap year. Look at this answer. We have leap year condition also specified in this. Look at the notations here. If month in 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, it is 31 days. 4, 6, 9, 1 is 30 days. If month is 2, then it is asking for year, because you need to check whether it is a leap year or not. And you have leap year condition here. Divided by 400 or divided by 4 and not divided by 100 is leap year. So number of days 29, otherwise 28. So else number of days 28. If your input is not between 1 and 12, then you get the message invalid month.